You may think that a vote for the Green Party is just a wasted vote. They won't get in. There's not really any point. So don't give it a second thought. Yes, they've got some good ideas to create proper jobs by investing in our public services, supporting small homegrown businesses, and tackling climate change and pollution. Yes, somebody needs to fight for the environment, even in these hard economic times. But as the Greens are not going to win this election, there's no point in voting for them. So don't give it a second thought. Or maybe you should give it a second thought. You see, in the Welsh Assembly election, you'll get 2 ballot cards, and the second is really quite different from the first. In your first vote, you'll be voting for an AM for your local constituency, and just like a race, first past the post will win the seat. But unlike most competitions, no matter how many points you score by coming second or third, you'll never end up on the podium. However, the second ballot, or regional vote, is much more like the battle for a championship. So why shouldn't you vote for the same party in the second ballot? Because the system is geared so that the more seats you win on the first ballot, the less you are likely to win on the second. So voting for the same party with your first and second vote could actually waste your second vote. And you don't have to actually win any of the races to get points on the board.
We know Greens aren't going to win a majority this time around, but just one seat can give us a strong voice in the Assembly.
And even one voice can make a big difference. The Green Party has a history of punching well above our weight on local authorities, in Europe, and now in Parliament.
And why do we need a Green voice in the Assembly? Well, like a lot of things that you don't give a second thought to, the environment may not be your top priority when things are getting tricky, because it's all a bit of a struggle right now. But if we keep our focus on money before the environment, and if somebody doesn't keep the pressure on, then we could be in for some nasty surprises.